Evening, everyone. It's Sunday evening, the 16th, and it's about 6:35, and the futures are open. Excuse me. We were in such a tight area that I decided to wait to do this video on your weekly gold update number 381. I wanted to wait until we had some sort of an open. So we're up about $8. And we've worked our way into a tight little corner here. And the 5-day, which is this purple line, is through the 20-day, which normally would concern me, except that after a rise like this and a pullback, we generally go into some sort of a consolidation, and on the basis of that, we usually we can see a lot of above and below the 20-day by the 5. I'll just show you here. We had this really nice rally from the 1450 area all the way, excuse me, up to just under 1800. And when we started going sideways after the initial drop, we crossed it here, and then 8 days later, 7 days later, we crossed it back to the upside, we crossed it back to the downside, we crossed it back to the upside, and then had the continuation. So I'm not terribly concerned about that. I think we could come back down into the 1925, 1930 area, and I would have to be a buyer down there. Another chart that I'm going to show you tonight, just because it's so closely related, is the silver, and where the gold was literally up in the neighborhood of 0.4%, so less than 0.5%. What we have in the silver is a lot more extreme. It's up 2.5%. Same basic formation, had the big rally, came down hard, and started right back up. And then on Friday, we had this, down day. But this evening, we are up substantially. And on this one, we're over the 5-day, and the 5-day has not yet even come close. We're talking about the 5-day comes through at 25.31, and we're trading 26.75. So the silver is definitely outperforming the gold. That may or may not hold, but I'm still bullish of the gold, and we'll be looking for another place to add. We have a spread on in Newmont, NEM, and that's the way I'm playing the gold right now. If it were to come down to that area I was discussing, around 19.25, I would consider buying a small position in the GLD besides having the Newmont call spread. All right, everyone, have a good evening, and I'll be back first thing in the morning.